Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Check out this low-laying fog over there. And check out that scene over there. Looks awesome. We out here at the larger field that I like to fly at, and I got something different to fly out here. Well, it's a J10. This was a build. It came in kit form, and so I got this off AliExpress. AliExpress is having a bunch of sales over there on these little planes. I'll try to see if I can get you guys some codes. Link will be in the description to this little kit right here. I thought that this looked pretty awesome, and it's my first build that I completed. I have another kit that I'm putting together right now. It looks like a Spitfire. I can't remember the name of that plane, but this thing looks awesome. It's brushless. I have a little 30mm EDF in there. Took me a while to really put this together. I had it for some time now, but I finally got it together. I was thinking about I originally had set this thing up to have movable canards, working canards. And so this was going to be the smallest plane with working canards, but I decided I should probably fly it in its form that it was meant to be flown in first. And so I got it this way first with the Delta controls in the back. It does have a spot up there for yaw control or rudder, but you have to make the cut right there and right there. But I elected to just have this a yank and bank plane initially. My little invention there. that's my little solution for having these little canopy covers or battery covers not be a hassle trying to remove them. And so I put that's a zip tie there. I ran a zip tie through there with a button on the other end. Let me try to pop it off so I can show you. Kind of difficult to do this with one hand. So check it out. It's a little pull tab now. I got a button under there. So I don't have to struggle with removing that. It's magnetically held in place. No, this kit didn't come with any wheels, and so it's going to be doing belly landings. I guess I can add wheels, but right now we're going to do some belly landings out here. So let's try to get it up in the air. Oh, let me show you guys. Well, I can't really show you too much inside, but let me see. The grass is wet, so I really am nervous about putting it down. But it has the IFPDB gyro in there. I have the what's that? The R8XM radio link receiver in there. It's a long range receiver. Well, not too long. I think it's 4,000 miles. What am I talking about? Not miles. I think it's 4,000 feet. 4,000 feet that this little receiver has a range of. I have a little 2S pack in there, 7.4 volt, 1,000 milliamp hour from one of my cars actually. And the electronics, I think I pulled the electronics out of a green bush plane that I had, an Army edition. I have a picture of that on the screen to show you guys that. It's a what is it? It's a Piper. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it on the screen here so you guys can see it. But let's get this thing up in the air real quick. All that going out of my way to try not to put it on the floor, on the grass. I end up really having to put it on the grass anyhow because have to plug it up. So let's see. Okay, so it might be a little nose heavy, but I was hoping that the canards would compensate for that. So let's see.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Let's see if it'll fly. We'll probably go this direction over here. Let me step back a little. I got some humans over there. Hopefully I don't bother them. Ah! And it came down nose first. Ah. Sheesh. And we lost the canard, so I don't think that it's going to really be a successful flight. I think it might be some too much weight on the tail. Let me see again. Oh yeah, it's not gonna power up anymore. Let me see what happened. The battery came forward a little. Let me see. We can set it again. Sheesh.
Welcome to HTX.
Well, I guess that's that. Yep, we're not getting any response from it, so I'm just gonna unplug. Oh, the receiver came loose. Sheesh. Let's see if we can get it plugged back up. Okay, we're back. Plugged up. We don't have any. We're missing a canard up front, so I don't think I'm gonna fly it. Well, both of the canards are missing now. So I think it's definitely gonna be, it's a little tail heavy. So I don't think it's gonna fly well. It's tail, a little too tail heavy. So I gotta move the battery forward. The battery is moved all the way as further as it can get to the forward position, but we lost our canards, so. Let's see if it'll go a little. It's nose heavy like I thought, but I don't know why it did what it did. Maybe it was a bad throw the first time. But it's definitely nose heavy. And so I guess it's back to the drawing board with this guy. We'll see if I can get a better launch next time. Alright, so hopefully it'll get in the air now. I think the problem was I didn't have the Velcro on the battery pushed down into the frame. And so the battery was loose in there. So when I threw it, the battery slid back this way and caused the craft to go up in the air. I got it down secured now with the Velcro. And so hopefully we'll be able to get it in the air. The wind is coming from this way. It's a different day. You got strong wind coming from that way. So we're gonna take off that direction. Hand toss. I glued the pieces back on. The canards came off. So we got the canards back. Let's see if I can get this thing in the air. Let's sit it down.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, we got the control surfaces working. Let's see. We're going to go left, right, down, up. Okay. Sheesh, and the wind has picked up. It's coming from this direction. Not a good sign. Let's see. Really nowhere to really grab this little bird and throw it. And it went straight up in the air. Sheesh. Came down on the nose. It has this soft nose here, but that's not really helping it. It's taking some damage. The battery did not move. So I don't know, maybe it's still tail heavy. I'm going to slide the battery down a little further towards the nose and see if that straightens it out. Seems like it's a little tail heavy. See if it'll take off now. Everything, all the parts are still on it. Let me see. It's a little nose heavy now. Maybe that's what we need. I think that's what we needed. It's still a little tail heavy. So it's still tail heavy. Man, they didn't give us that space in the front of the nose for no reason. The battery seems like it needs to go all the way towards the front for this little bird to have the correct center of gravity on it. Man, and I'm beating this little nose up here. The battery's all the way towards the front. Now, let me see. It has a little more room to go towards, some more towards the front. Let me see if that'll straighten it out. Sheesh, I'm going to have some gluing to do. Okay, so let's try it one more time. It's in the air. It doesn't want to turn for me. A soft landing at least. But yeah, maybe I'll put a larger battery in here. I have a larger battery, but I don't have it with me. So I think I'm gonna take this guy home and try to put a heavier battery in here. The battery that I have in here is a little light. It's a 1000 milliamp hour pack, and it seems like this little guy can do with a heavier battery up front. I'm going to take off with it one more time. We're going this direction this time. Let's see. Oh man, I don't feel like going that far. Looks like I'm going to have to go that far though. Well, I know what I have to do. It's tail heavy, so I needed a little more weight towards the front of the nose, towards the front of the plane. So I'm thinking I can compensate with a larger battery pack. I have a 1600 milliamp hour pack that I think will fit in here, and it'll probably give that nose enough weight, the weight that it needs in order to be balanced out correctly. Ah man, I'm glad the foam didn't break off or anything. I just have some reshaping to do of the plane. Cosmetic damage. Nothing really broke off of it, so I guess that can be looked at as a positive, that we still have it to work on. I guess we'll take this guy back to the bench, back to the drawing board, and give it some repairs. I'll beat the nose up a little bit. I might even get another one of these now that I know what I have to do and the correct center of gravity that I have to have on it. I think I want to get another one because it's not really that much. It was under $100 for this kit here, and so I'll just transfer all of the electronics from this one to the other one. So yeah, I think that's all we're able to do. What did I do? I think that's all we can do for it right now. It's a little J10 build kit from AliExpress. Thanks for watching.